The operating rod drive spring is compressed. The operating rod drive spring guide is in contact with the buffer plunger. The moving operating rod compresses the spring against the head of the operating rod drive spring guide. The buffer plunger forces the buffer pads rearward against the buffer return springs. The buffer pads expand against the buffer tube body. The pads and springs absorb the rearward energy, and the cycle has been completed. However, the energy stored in the compressed operating rod drive spring is prepared to carry the operating rod forward and start the entire cycle all over again. The M-60 will fire automatically as long as the trigger is held to the rear. When the trigger is released, the rear end of the sear pivots upward and engages the sear notch in the operating rod, and fire ceases. The gun has been automatically cocked. The bolt has remained to the rear and is ready to begin the forward movement of the cycle. A round is ready to be chambered. The machine gun 7.62 millimeter M-60 is easy to load. It is easy to unload. It is a gas-operated, air-cooled, and belt-fed machine gun that performs its 8 necessary functions in very nearly simultaneous actions. Ammunition for the weapon is available in several categories: ball, tracer, armor-piercing, and for field use, linked 4-ball-to-1 tracer. The M-60 is a versatile machine gun. It can be fired from a lightweight tripod mount. Barrels are changed in a matter of seconds. It can also be fired from its organic bipod. Its cyclic rate of fire of approximately 550 rounds per minute, combined with its versatility, provides a potent automatic weapon capable of delivering a close, continuous volume of fire.